Hi students, welcome back to my channel Get in Bio World. Please like करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. So our today's topic is protein synthesis. Now first of all see what is protein. It constitutes the major part of dry weight of an activated growing cell. Inside the activated growing cell, the major part is constitute the protein. ग्रोइंग सेल में जो मेजर पार्ट होता है किसका होता है प्रोटीन का एंड इट इज़ वाइडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द लिविंग मैटर मीन्स इट इज़ फाउंड इन द living matter built from 20 amino acid which constitute the basic building blocks, and this protein formed from the 20 amino acid which constitute the basic building blocks, and these 20 amino acids are linked by the पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड्स. किससे लिंक होता है वो द पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड्स एंड फॉर्म द लॉन्ग चेन ऑफ द पॉलीपेप्टाइड्स विच इज़ कॉल्ड प्रोटीन. इसको बोलेंगे प्रोटीन. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द सेंट्रल डोगमा ऑफ द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. हाउ द प्रोटीन फॉर्म. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल DNA, which consists of the double helical structure, and this double helical structure get unwind or get replicated from the two different strand, and from the one strand which is called non-sense strand which is called sense strand, and from this sense strand the mRNA formed with the help of the transcription, and from this one strand the mRNA is formed with the help of transcription, and this mRNA undergo translation and form the protein. By this process protein is formed. Now two events are help in the formation of protein synthesis. Now which one is first one transcription and another one is the translation. This copying of the complementary messenger strand on a DNA strand means this one is the DNA strand, and on this DNA strand the complementary messenger RNA are present, copying the complementary messenger RNA which is with the help of the process of transcription. Means adenine A pair with the uracil U, cytosine C pair with the guanine G, से complementary messenger RNA form होगा. That's why it is called as the transcription. Proteins are made by the ribosomes on the mRNA strand. This process is called as the translation, and inside the translation process this transcribed mRNA get form the protein with the help of the ribosomes which is called as the translation. Then the protein gets synthesized. Now the strand unwinds, and one of the two strands form an mRNA strand, and nucleotides of the mRNA are complementary to those of the strand. First of all see, these are the helical structure of DNA. When they undergo in the replication process, two different strands are formed, and from this one sense strand the complementary mRNA is formed. These are the complementary mRNA, and it consists of the nucleotide of the complementary nucleotides. Means these are the mRNA consist of uracil U in replace of the thymine T. Inside the DNA adenine is paired with the thymine T and the guanine pair with the cytosine C, but in the RNA the adenine is paired with the uracil U and the guanine pair with the cytosine C. That's why the uracil replaces with the thymine. Uracil is get replaced with the help of thymine, and as a result complementary pairing are AU and GC, means adenine pair with the uracil and guanine pair with the cytosine. Understand all of you? So our next topic is components of the transcription machinery. Means for the formation of the protein, two events necessary, transcription and the translation, and inside the transcription how many components are helped. Now first of all transcription requires a template, activated precursors, divalent metal ion and the RNA polymerase. Now we will see one by one. First of all template. Now preferred template for transcription is double stranded DNA. Yes, we know double helical structure of the DNA are present when one of the two strands, only one strand called sense strand, which help in transcription of mRNA. And when this double helical structure of the DNA gets replicate, then only one strand, which is called sense strand, ट्रांसक्राइब द mRNA. इसकी हेल्प से क्या फॉर्म होगा? mRNA. ये ट्रांसक्राइब क्या करेगा? mRNA विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी बेसिस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द activated precursors is the second component of mRNA synthesis. Now first of all, synthesis of mRNA strands require all 4 ribonucleoside triphosphate. अभी mRNA synthesis में क्या रिक्वायर हो गया? 4 ribonucleoside triphosphate. First ATP, GTP, UTP and CTP. These are A, G, U and C are the base pairs and which is help in the formation of the mRNA synthesis. Now first of all, ATP is the adenosine ribose triphosphate. These are the ribose. Why? Because inside the formation of the RNA, ribose sugar help, and in DNA, deoxyribose sugar help. That's why the ribose triphosphate is necessary for the formation of the synthesis of mRNA. Now GTP, it means guanine ribose triphosphate. UTP means uracil ribose triphosphate. CTP means cytosine ribose triphosphate. Understand all of you? All these precursors are required for the formation of this mRNA. Now divalent metal ions, which is required for the formation of components of transcription. Now divalent metal ion consists of the magnesium or manganese, which are effective in the transcription. Next one is the RNA polymerase, which help in the formation of or transcription of the RNA. Now this RNA consists of these different polymerase. First of all, the core enzyme, and the second one is the sigma factor. This core enzyme and the sigma factor collectively known as the holozyme, which is called holozyme or the entire enzyme, and these are the helpful in the formation or transcription of the RNA. Now this core enzyme consists of the chain of polypeptide alpha, alpha, beta, beta dash and the omega, and this sigma factor consists of the only sigma atom, and when these collectively when these get grouped or connect with each other form the holozyme or the entire enzyme, and this help in the transcription of RNA. These ribonucleotide triphosphate are joined together by RNA polymerase. These are the ribonucleoside triphosphate. These help or in the formation of transcription, and this get connected with the RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase collectively this structure is called as RNA polymerase, and this is help in the elimination of pyrophosphate group. When these both get connected, then elimination of the pyrophosphate group is done and the transcription is get started.